Hi golfers, my name is Nancy Nacito-Freschi with Be Vibrant Clinical Somatics. Have you ever had to drop out of a tournament or miss a round of golf with your friends because of back pain? If so, the simple somatic movement you're going to learn in this video will make a huge difference in your life. So you're going to start out laying on your back with your knees bent. It's very important to keep your knees bent. This is best done on a floor. You don't need a yoga mat or any special equipment. Carpeting is fine, but on a bed is going to be too soft. So on the floor is the best option. So think about your pelvis being like a rolling pin. And if you roll that rolling pin in the direction of your feet, the low back lifts. And then feel the low back muscles, that they're engaged now, they're contracted. Keep your awareness there and very slowly, without pushing, allow those low back muscles to release on their own. And take your time with this. With somatics, we never want to rush. Now that your back is in a neutral position, when you're ready, roll that rolling pin in the direction of your head. And you're going to notice that your low back has moved down against the table and your belly has tightened. And then focus on your belly now. That's the muscle that's working. And slowly allow the belly to release so your low back comes to a neutral position. Now, once you feel you're in a neutral position, roll the pelvis in the direction of your feet again. Don't make it a big movement. Make it really small. It should be barely perceptible. And if you feel any strain, any pain, any pull or stretching, know that you've gone too far. And then you take as many breaths as you need to allow that low back to relax back to a neutral position. Once you feel the back is in a neutral position, roll the rolling pin in the direction of your head. Feel the back move against the table. It doesn't have to be forceful. Feel the belly contracting. Focus on your belly and allow the belly to slowly release. This is the long rectus muscle. Slowly let it release as you take as many breaths as you need to. When you feel that your belly is back to neutral, roll the pelvis in the direction of your feet. Feel that low back gently lift. This is not a back bend. This is not forceful. And then you take as many breaths as you need to allow the back to release to neutral without pushing or forcing it. Take your time with this. Once you feel your back is in neutral, roll the rolling pin in the direction of the head. Feel the low back moving towards the table. Again, do not force this. Feel the belly tighten. Focus on your belly. Slowly allow the belly muscles to release. Once you feel your back to neutral, you're going to do a few more of these, very slowly. Okay, so in somatics, we're retraining the brain, we're retraining the cortex. So it needs slow movement, it needs repetition, and you really need to pay attention to what you're doing. So don't have a radio playing, don't have a TV going on in the background. You're going to be focusing on this in a quiet place. You do not need to do a lot of these. What's important is that you stay focused on what you're feeling in the body. This is the critical piece of somatics. It's not about stretching. It's not about forcing. It's about taking a tight muscle into a tighter contraction, gently, not with force. Slowly, slowly, slowly releasing. And then going in the other direction in this case. So maybe you do 5, maybe you do 7, maybe you do 10. As long as you're focused on what you're doing and you're feeling what your body is doing and you're not causing any discomfort, you can do several of them. But if you find you're very distracted, then I'm going to suggest 1 or 2 are going to be plenty, as long as you stay focused. Always start at an arch, coming back to neutral, and then finish with a flatten, coming back to a neutral. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, you can reach me at bevibrantclinicalsomatics.com. My phone number is 815-509-6479. And my email is nancy@bevibrantTherapy.com. Have a great day.